Hello students, today we are going to start with objectives of business. Objectives are what? They are the end points for which each and every activity is being done. End points for which each and every activity is being undertaken. Now objectives of business, they are of three types, like economic objective, social objective, and human objective. Economic objectives are those objectives which are in one way or another way talk about earning money. From economic point of view, economic objective point of view, economic objectives are: first is profit making, second is creation of customers, and the third one is innovation. Innovation means something new to be done, something new. Now bete, profit making, it is the main objective of business organization is to earn more and more profits. Like a businessman, why he is doing activities? Because he want to earn more and more profits. So main objective of economic objective is profit making. Second, creation of customers. Another economic objective of business is to create customers. By creation of customers, we mean to attract more and more पोटेंशियल कस्टमर्स टुवर्ड्स द प्रोडक्ट। मीन्स ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग हमारा प्रोडक्ट खरीदेंगे, ऑटोमेटिकली हमारा इकोनॉमिक ऑब्जेक्टिव दैट इज़ ऑफ अर्निंग मनी वी कैन ईजिली achieve. So more and more customers should be created by giving. So second main objective of economic objective is creation of customer. More and more customer will be created, and automatically more and more money you will earn. So second economic objective is creation of customers. Third and last one economic objective is innovation. Innovation is what? Today business is facing developing world, and even consumer are also aware about each and every changes what are coming in the day to day life. Customs and traditions are also changing. At this stage, existence of business can only be possible if we do something new. If we adopt innovation. Innovation means if हम कुछ नया करके कुछ नया लेके आएंगे प्रोडक्ट में मार्केट में, ऑटोमेटिकली वो चीज़ हमारी मनी को इंक्रीज करेगी, हमारा प्रोडक्ट बिकेगा। क्योंकि आजकल जो कस्टमर्स हैं दे ऑल आर अवेयर, वो कुछ नया चाहते हैं, तो उस नए के लिए वी हैव टू इनोवेट समथिंग न्यू इन अ प्रोडक्ट, ऑटोमेटिकली वी विल अर्न मोर एंड मोर money.